Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making the circuit safe. Disconnect the negative battery or set the dome switch to OFF so you won't short anything. Once done, gather a flat plastic pry tool, a small Phillips, gloves, and the replacement bulb. Most Swifts use T10 or a small festoon. Next, locate the lens notch and gently pry. Keep the lens supported so it doesn't drop into the head lining. This quick, careful approach prevents busted clips and gives you clear access to the bulb assembly. Now remove the existing lamp. If it's a T10, gently rotate and pull. If it's a festoon, slide it out along the clips while noting polarity or orientation. Once out, test the new bulb with a 12V source or briefly reconnect the circuit. This confirms the replacement works before you reassemble. While you're in there, inspect the socket for grime or corrosion. Clean contacts with contact cleaner and a cotton swab so the new bulb gets good conductivity and avoids flicker once installed. Finish by seating the bulb in the same orientation you removed it, then carefully snap the lens back until the clips engage. Do not force the plastic. Reconnect the battery and verify the map and dome lights operate at full brightness. Make sure to cycle the switch so auto modes reset. If you see flicker or low light, check the interior light fuse and the ground connection, and swap in a known good bulb to isolate whether the bulb, socket, or wiring is the root cause.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.